Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to present to you a Devlieg 3B48 horizontal precision boring and milling machine. It happens to be our stock number 9622. This is a 3-inch diameter spindle machine that has 24 speed ranges ranging from 23 to 1200 RPM. Let's go ahead and get it fired up, Frankie. We'll show them some of the features. Alright, let's start out at 23 RPM. RPM. While I'm up here, I'd like to start pointing out some of the conditions on these machines, on these ways. Here's the longitudinal saddle ways. Sorry, where are you at, bud? 200 RPM. So this machine will go from 23 to 1200 in two ranges, low and high. The low range goes from 23 to 207. The high range goes from 134 to 1200 RPM. Let me come on down. 1200 RPM. Very cool. Okay, check it out. We're gonna go through the travels on the machine. The table on this machine is a 30 by 48 inch size table. It has 52 inches of longitudinal saddle travel, has 16 inches of cross-leg travel, it has 18 inches of vertical travel on the head, up and down, and the spindle comes in and out 24 inches. It's a number 40 NST Spindle Taper machine. It has a 7.5 horse main drive motor. It's currently wired at 220 volts. It has a Sony 3-axis Digital Readout unit. It has power drawbar. It's a mechanical power drawbar unit. Functions awesome. It has a complete set of tooling with it. It has 3 T-slotted angle plates, 2 of the green match set in the heavy duty. The smaller one here, this happens to be one of the 3 covers. This one was cleaned up and removed so that we could show you the original ways. What do you have here? Ooh, a Stanley Vidmar tooling cabinet with the original Devlieg microbore tooling systems manual and some microbore units with an Albrecht drill chuck with the number 40 NST Spindle Taper. Wow, check it out. End mill holders, shell mill holders, drill chucks, and even one of the original old school spade drill bits with the number 40 NST shank. Wonderful. Let's go to drawer number 2 if we could, please. Wow. Complete assortment of end mill holders, shell mill holders, Albrecht style drill chuck. Wonderful selection of American made. We're talking Brown and Sharp, Technara, several different varieties. This one happens to be another Brown and Sharp. Some of the best tooling known to mankind in the number 40 NST Taper spindle. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, the one last thing I'd like to show to you, I don't know if I can get the angle very good. There are several clamps down inside of here. There's a dozen or so miscellaneous clamps and items for fixturing. Okay, confirming the Stanley Vidmar cabinet comes with it. Is that correct? Thank you so much. Okay, back to the machine. Here's the back side of the machine. We're going to show you the electrical panel. Super clean. Please note, this machine is wired at 220 volts currently. The motor is set up to only run at 220. If you have 440 volts in your shop, let us know. We can quote out a external step up or step down transformer. They're very inexpensive. Go ahead, Frank.
Feet on the spindle.
Feet on the spindle. We're super excited about this Devlieg. So many awesome features on this machine.
Wrap it on the spindle.
Wrap it on the spindle. There's 6 feeds, ranging from 0.003 to 0.0047. As well as on the feeds, your spindle goes in and out, your saddle goes left to right, and your head goes up and down. Alright, we got about 30 seconds left. What else do you want to show them, my man? We've emphasized the flaking on the ways. Head going up and down. I've got you in a position here. I want to point out those ways one more time. I'm just absolutely flabbergasted by that flaking. Okay, so on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for reviewing this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. This is Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City. Our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. Follow us on Facebook, and our phone number is 801-531-9500. Thanks again and have a great day.